In this video, I'm going to show you one of the simple and best way to make money online by using this exact website, and I'm going to explain you each and everything in step-by-step process so that you can implement everything that I'm going to show you in this video right after watching this video. But of course, if you are lazy enough to not put some work and not do some work, then this is not for you. But if you want to put some work and make money by using this website, then I'm going to show you how you can do so. Now another thing, this site is all about photos, and if you don't want to click photo by yourself, then there is an option for that also, a free option which I'm going to show you in this video. So keep on watching this video till the end so that you can learn each and everything that I'm going to exactly show you and explain you in this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to visit to this site, and for that just go on Google and type Snapwire community. Don't leave this community, okay? Just type Snapwire community and you'll see this link, community.snapwire.co. Just click on it and you will be able to visit to this site. And once you visit to this site, the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on join community and then just sign up to this site by using your email address. It is extremely simple to sign up. Just put your name and email address and some basic information, as you can see at here. Just fill out this information and you will be easily able to create account on, you'll be easily be able to create account on Snapwire community. But make sure to select this one, okay? I am a creator, not a buyer, okay? I am a creator. Just select that and then fill out this form and just sign up to this website. Now once you sign up to this website, then your main purpose is to take part in this challenge, okay? Just click on this challenges and you will see this kind of interface. Now there are lots of challenges going on and you need to upload your unique photos at here. I mean not your face photo, okay? Some pictures that you may have clicked either from your mobile phone or your DSLR camera or any digital camera, or maybe with the free method that I'm going to show you in this video after some time. So you need to keep on uploading pictures to this Snapwire community by taking part in these challenges. So this is the first step. Now what you can also do is you can just create 4 to 5 account, okay? 4 to 5 Snapwire account and then take part in these challenges, because it is extremely important to take part in these challenges with the appropriate pictures that have higher chance to get selected. Because let's think, if you have 4 to 5 account, okay, of Snapwire, and start to upload pictures, various pictures from those account in these challenges. Now whenever some of your pictures get selected in that challenges, then it will be listed in this marketplace, okay? So now if you click on any of these pictures, now here we are not talking about some small money, okay? You can get good amount of payment cut from this type of amount. So it is important to get listed in this marketplace. So it is important to be selected in this challenges. Now if you have DSLR camera, digital camera, or if you have good mobile phone that uh, um, and pictures in that mobile phone that you think can fit in these challenges, like feeling grateful, or maybe you can click on this Halloween trick and treat and put pictures related to this theme, okay? So you can normally put these kind of images in these challenges. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to generate or create image for free, and for that what you can do is go to Google and just type AI image generator, and then you'll see lots of image generator at here. Now you can click on this night cafe and you can open that, and you can see you can create images for free. I think you can create up to 5 images for free. So now what you can do is just go to challenge and see thank you teacher, just type thank you teacher and click on create, okay? Similarly, see another World Vegetarian Day, empowered woman, senior citizen. So some of the image this site may not create, and for that what you can do is you can again go to Google and select another site, okay, text to image, and then open that site, and then you can use this site to create image for these challenges, okay? So in this way, once the image is created from this site, you can upload it to these challenges by logging into your Snapwire community account. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you liked this video, and if it was helpful for you, then please don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more interesting money making videos in upcoming days. So do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.